Hey there, you're getting this email because at some point you've talked or worked with us and we just had to let you know about all the new things that are going on here at Take a Break Spas and Billiards. Number one is this awesome new building that has heaps and tons of products that we can show off all of the hot tubs, and we can show off almost all the pool tables, though because we sell 4 different brands of pool tables, we have a lot to choose from. Along with that, we have crazy amounts of new products that nobody even knows that we sell. And so I'm going to be sending out an email in these next coming weeks to let you know more about the various deals that we have going on for Black Friday and for Christmas and the introduction of these new products. So you can unsubscribe now if you're not interested in any of these new products, but I promise you're going to want to stay here and listen to all these wonderful deals that we have coming our way. Like all of our new arcade products, even this new IQ Reality billiard system right here that they're setting up. Saunas we're getting really big into. We're selling 4 different brands of saunas, and you're going to want to come here and test them out. We sell grills and pizza ovens. And how can you not want to come and check out all the amazing things that this company has to offer? And with this new space that we have here, we have an incredible warehouse full of products ready to be delivered to your home. So why not come check us out here at Take a Break in Springville, American Fork, and West Jordan. We're all one big happy family, and we're glad that you're a part of it. So we hope to see you soon.